You're not going to want to miss this. It's a free live online training event all about YouTube ads from one of the world's top YouTube ad trainers. We're going to be featuring Mr. Tom Breeze. Let's hear a word from Tom on exactly what he's going to be talking about during this free training.
Hey, how you doing? It is Tom Breeze here. And if you are interested in running YouTube ads and getting set up in the right way so you can build profitable and scalable campaigns, then listen in, because Kurt Marley and myself are going to jump on a webinar very soon indeed. I'm going to go through it step by step, showing you exactly what to do, whether you're doing this for your own business or as an agency doing this for your clients. I want to walk you through the steps of finding your audience, making sure you create killer ads on a shoestring budget. I want to make sure you know how to run your accounts properly, and also what sort of offers work best for YouTube as well. We're going to lay it all bare, share with you exactly what works, and it's going to be a lot of fun as well. So make sure you're there on the webinar, myself and Kurt Marley, and I'll see you very soon.
Now, this is a free YouTube training that's going to happen this Thursday, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, noon Central Standard Time, 10 a.m. PAC, 6 p.m. UK. Register today. We have limited Zoom seats, so make sure that you register and arrive early. When you register, sign up for text message reminders and receive a free gift. When you sign up for text message reminders, you'll receive this via text. It's the Ban Hammer Guide. If you ever get an ad disapproved, an ad account disabled, or if you run into any problems along the way, we have links, resources, and exactly what to say next. Sign up for the free live YouTube training right now, and when you sign up for text message reminders for the event, get access to that Ban Hammer. Join the free live training with myself, Kurt Marley, and Mr. Tom Breeze. See you Thursday.